So today's project consists of red, silver, and white. Here you go. I tied the 3 ribbons at the corner here. I started with the white first and I feed it through, pull it through here, and then I pull the silver through and then pull the white, the same white, I pull it through this bottom end so that the silver stays in place. Then instead of starting the red, I pull the white back through to the top, then pull the red, and then pull the white so that the red stays in place. And then I continue through, and I just have to fluff it up a little bit, and here you go. So the white and the silver are a little bit more stiff, and the red is a little bit more soft. The white and the silver contains like a piece of metal in the rim so that it's a little bit more, that it can bend a little bit more. So you keep pulling it and you keep fluffing it and just make a nice design so that everything stays in place and you don't really see like the ring on the inside or on the outside of the wreath when you're finished.